Each year during the commencement ceremony, the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences recognizes those who have distinguished themselves in scholarship and leadership ability. Dr. Ed Benarchuk, I ask you to come forward to read the award descriptions and announce the award recipients. Dean Anderson will present the awards.
The first of the awards is the Lilly Achievement Award, which consists of a certificate and a copy of Diabetes Management and Primary Care by Dr. Jeff Unger. This award is presented by Eli Lilly and Company to a member of the graduating class having demonstrated superior scholastic achievement in the professional curriculum as well as leadership and professional qualities. This year's recipient is Carolyn Hempel. The Michael E. Crawford Award consists of a check and a framed certificate. This award is presented to a member of the graduating class who exemplifies a spirit of perseverance and is given in memory of Michael E. Crawford, a 1979 graduate of the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This year's recipient is Melissa Appa. The Eno Nelson Award is a plaque presented to a member of the graduating class who demonstrated outstanding work in biopharmaceutics. The award is given in memory of Dr. Eno Nelson, former professor and chairman of the Department of Pharmaceutics. This year's recipient is Kate Fifield. The UB Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences Alumni Association Award consists of a plaque and a check. This award is presented to a member of the pharmacy graduating class who has best achieved a balance between academic performance and professional activities, and who has exhibited qualities of initiative, creativity, and leadership. This year's recipient is Samuel Aiken. The David E. Gutman Award consists of a plaque and is presented to a member of the graduating class who has demonstrated a high degree of interest and achievement in the area of pharmaceutical analysis and physical pharmacy, in memory of Dr. David E. Gutman, former professor of pharmaceutics. This year's recipient is Patrick Glassman. The Renee A. Dietrich Memorial Award consists of a $1,500 check and a framed certificate. The award is presented to a member of the graduating class who has chosen to pursue postgraduate training and is given in memory of Renee A. Dietrich, a 1977 graduate of the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences who received her PharmD degree posthumously in 1979. This year's recipient is Brian Badgley. The Francis P. Taylor Award consists of a plaque. This award was established in the memory of Francis P. Taylor, a 1934 graduate of the University of Buffalo School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences and former instructor in pharmacy, for presentation to the most outstanding member of the graduating class in the professional practice sequence. This year's recipient is Kate Fifield. The UB School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences Professionalism Award, it consists of a plaque that's presented to a member of the graduating class who exhibits the high ideals of professionalism and excellence in patient care. This year's recipient is Kristen Zeitler. The Robert H. Ritz Award consists of a check and a framed certificate. This award was established by Robert H. Ritz, a 1919 graduate of the UB School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, for presentation to a member of the graduating class who attained the highest standing in biochemical pharmacology. This year's recipient is Kate Fifield. The National Community Pharmacists Association Outstanding Student Member Award consists of a plaque and is presented to a member of the graduating class in recognition of their entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to advancing independent community pharmacy practice. This year's recipient is Michael Grota. The ASP National Patient Counseling Award consists of a framed certificate and is presented to the school finalist and representative to the National Patient Counseling Competition, sponsored by the American Pharmaceutical Association Academy of Students of Pharmacy. This year's recipient is Michael Krajewski. The Roger Montsevinos Award, which is a plaque presented to the pharmacy graduate who demonstrated outstanding work in biochemistry, is given in memory of Dr. Roger Montsevinos, who is a former associate professor of biochemical pharmacology. This year's recipient is Carolyn Hempel. The Laurie Esch Memorial Award consists of an acrylic plaque and a check for $475. This award is presented to a member of the graduating class for demonstrating achievement in ambulatory pharmacotherapy management with an emphasis on patient counseling and education, and who exemplifies the commitment to medication safety and beneficial outcomes personified by Dr. Laurie Esch, former assistant professor and HIV pharmaceutical care specialist in the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This year's recipient is Stephanie Newman. The Merck Awards consists of a Merck manual and a Merck index for presentation to the 3 top members of the graduating class in recognition of high scholastic achievement. The first recipient is Amy Tellis. The second recipient is Robert Seabury. And the third recipient is Brian Ames. The Robert M. Cooper Memorial Award consists of an apothecary jar. It's an award presented to a member of the graduating class who exemplifies the qualities of ethics, integrity, and commitment personified by Robert M. Cooper, a former professor and associate dean of the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This year's recipient is Amy Tellis. The Mylan Pharmaceuticals Excellence in Pharmacy Award consists of a beautifully framed lithograph and check. This award is presented to a member of the graduating class in recognition of high academic achievement and professional motivation in a tangibly and professionally meaningful manner. This year's recipient is David Jacobs.
David, you want to put it back over here?
The Facts and Comparisons Award of Excellence in Clinical Communication is a framed certificate and a set of reference books presented to a member of the graduating class who has demonstrated high scholastic achievement in superior verbal and written clinical communication skills. This year's recipient is Catherine DiPaolo. The Roy M. Barr Award consists of a framed certificate and a check for $1,000. The award was established by Roy M. Barr, a 1914 graduate of the University of Buffalo School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, for presentation to the members of the graduating class who have demonstrated outstanding work in medicinal chemistry. The first recipient of two is Kate Fifield. And this year's second recipient is Pulkit Bhuptani. The Western New York Society of Health System Pharmacists Award is presented to the member of the graduating class having a record of high academic achievement and an interest in institutional practice, consisting of a plaque and a first-year membership in the Western New York Society of Health System Pharmacists. This year's recipient is Christina Marchese. The Samuel J. Bauda Award consists of an acrylic plaque and was established in memory of Samuel J. Bauda, a 1923 graduate of the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. The presentation is to a member of the graduating class who exemplifies the qualities of leadership and dedication to community health care desirable in a community pharmacy practitioner. This year's recipient is Brian Salvis.
Welcome.
The Pharmacist Society of the State of New York Award is presented to a member of the graduating class who has shown interest in and has taken part in pharmaceutical organization activities. The award consists of a 5-year membership and certificate. This year's recipient is Kristen Zeitler. The Natural Medicines Comprehensive Database Recognition Award consists of a framed certificate and a copy of the Natural Medicines Comprehensive Database. This award is presented to an outstanding member of the graduating class who has shown an interest in evidence-based approaches to patient care. This year's recipient is Jerry Altschuler. The McKesson Leadership Award is a plaque presented to a student who has best served the University of Buffalo chapter of the Academy of Students of Pharmacy. This year's recipient is Michael Krajewski. Teva Pharmaceutical's USA Outstanding Student Award consists of a plaque and a check and is presented to a graduating senior who, in the opinion of the school, excels in the study of pharmacy. This year's recipient is Calvin Meany. The Margaret C. Swisher Memorial Award consists of a check and a framed certificate, was established in memory of Margaret C. Swisher, Ph.D., by Dr. and Mrs. Alexander Slepian, for presentation to an outstanding pharmacy student in the field of chemistry. This year's recipient is Robert Seabury. All right. The A.B. Lemon Memorial Award is a plaque presented to a member of the graduating class who exemplifies the high ideals of scholarship and dedication to the profession of pharmacy, which were held by Dr. A. Bertram Lemon, former dean of the UB School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This year's recipient is Ashley Smith. The ASP Certificate of Recognition consists of a plaque and is presented to members of the graduating class who have made the greatest contribution to their APHA ASP chapter through their leadership and dedication to this organization. The first of these recipients this year is Gwari Rao. And the second recipient this year is Michael Krajewski. The Inpatient Advanced Pharmacy Practice Experience Award consists of a plaque and is presented to the pharmacy graduate for outstanding performance in inpatient components of the Advanced Pharmacy Practice Experience program. This year's recipient is Brian Ames. The Outpatient Advanced Pharmacy Practice Experience Award consists of a plaque that is presented to the pharmacy graduate for outstanding performance in the outpatient care component of the Advanced Pharmacy Practice Experience program. This year's recipient is Robert Seaberg. The Pharmacists Association of Western New York Student Leadership Award consists of a plaque and is presented to a member of the graduating class who has shown leadership in professional organization activities and has maintained a good scholastic standing in the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This year's recipient is Kristen Zeitler. The Excellence in Pharmacogenomics Award consists of a check and a plaque. This award is presented to a member of the graduating class who has demonstrated high academic achievement and outstanding work in pharmacogenomics. This year's recipient is Thao Don. The Catherine Doyle Memorial Award for Excellence in Palliative Care consists of a check and a plaque. This award is presented to the member of the graduating class who exemplifies the commitment to compassionate care towards patients with life-limiting conditions but treatable symptoms, as personified by Dr. Katie Doyle, a 2006 PharmD graduate who as student, resident, and practicing pharmacist worked to relieve both physical and emotional pain and suffering from patients in her care. This year's recipient is Stephanie Newman. The Kelly Jordan Memorial Award consists of a $1,000 check and an acrylic plaque. Kelly Jordan was the first fellow in the Drug Development Fellowship Program offered in conjunction with Novartis Pharmaceuticals. In memory of her accomplishments, Novartis endowed a scholarship in her name at the University at Buffalo School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, with the award made to the UB student that best exemplifies the ideals of pursuing excellence in clinical research in an academic or pharmaceutical industry setting. This year's recipient is Gwari Rao. The Outstanding Graduating Senior Award in Pharmaceutical Sciences consists of a check and a certificate and is presented to the most outstanding baccalaureate graduate based on overall performance, including GPA and leadership. This year's recipient is Patrick Glassman. The Robert H. Gumtow Undergraduate Research Award in Pharmaceutical Sciences consists of a check and certificate and is presented to the graduating baccalaureate student who has performed the most outstanding research. This year's recipient is Laura Radecki. And the last of the student awards is the Alfred and Irma Jones Award and consists of a plaque and is presented to the most deserving pharmaceutical sciences student in the final academic year who is also from upstate New York. This year's recipient is Laura Radecki. Dr. Anderson, Teacher of the Year.
Okay, here we go. It's my great pleasure to recognize an outstanding educator and teacher in our school. The 2001 Teacher of the Year program recognizes a faculty member who has demonstrated excellence, innovation, and effectiveness in our Doctor of Pharmacy program, BS in Pharmaceutical Sciences program, or graduate program through the development of new courses, modification or improvement of existing courses, enhanced student learning opportunities in and outside the classroom, or by promoting student learning with various pedagogical and active learning approaches as it applies to the educational mission of the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. It is my great pleasure at this time to recognize TBA, it says here, Dr. William Preston. Preston. I'm thinking of Sergeant. Sorry. Sergeant Preston. Dr. Prescott will receive a plaque and a monetary award, and his name will be permanently recorded on the plaque in the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. He'll also be provided with support to attend the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy annual meeting in July in order to attend a luncheon in the honor of the recognized annual awards recipients of the respective schools in Austin, Texas.
The plaque is underneath, Dr. Anderson.
Okay. Here we go.
Well, that concludes the awards portion of the program. At this time, I believe we should recognize all the recipients.